time has come to recognize the unsung heroes of how business gets done every day. And I think at the end of the day, you have so many people that make an operation come to life, and people behind the scenes deserve the recognition, and they put in so much hard work, so this is for them.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. I'd like to welcome you all, and it's an absolute pleasure to have you at the second edition of the Middle East Cleaning, Hygiene and Facilities Awards 2019.
To be honest, I'm so overwhelmed right now, and it was really an honor to win this award, be a recipient of this award. And yeah, I'm really happy and proud of myself and the team, the Dubai Mall team as well. Yeah.
It has been a great experience. Thank you very much for inviting me. It was an honor to be here, and I've been impressed for the high level of quality, of excellence, of competence of the people and of the companies. Great experience. I hope to be here next time again. Thank you.
It is great, although it is a little too late. I believe this should have been started probably a few years back, and like the other ventures you have, we should have been already at least a decade into the awards. But nevertheless, later better than never. It's an amazing endeavor from the entire team of the Middle East. I really appreciate it.